Sub-assembly, assembling, camshaft holder. Thoroughly clean the camshaft holder using high flash point solvent and dry using compressed air. Ensure the oil gallery is clean. Also clean and dry the camshaft, rocker arms and the rocker arm shafts in a similar manner. Caution: while air drying the bearing with compressed air, prevent the inner or outer race from spinning, which could lead to permanent damage. Before assembling, measure both the rocker arm shaft's outer diameter. Measure the rocker arm's inner diameter. Lubricate the rocker arm roller and turn with your finger. The roller should turn smoothly and quietly. Install the rocker arm and shaft as shown. Align the hole on the rocker arm shaft with camshaft holder and install the rocker arm shaft lock bolts. Measure the cam lobe's height. Lubricate and inspect the camshaft bearings by turning the outer race of each bearing with your finger. The bearing should turn smoothly and quietly. Also check the bearing inner race fits tightly on the camshaft. Replace the camshaft assembly if the outer race does not turn smoothly and quietly, or if it is loose on the camshaft. Apply moly oil on camshaft whole surface. Moly oil is a mixture of molybdenum disulfide grease and engine oil in a ratio of 1:1. Install the camshaft to the camshaft holder. Finally, install the camshaft stopper plate with the flat surface facing inwards on the camshaft holder.